So SpaceX filed confidentially for its IPO. I believe it happened April 1st. But this will rewrite history because it's going to be the biggest IPO ever. Also, there was news about Optimus to humanoid robot, and we'll talk about it. I'll leave timestamps down below. So let's start with SpaceX and the filing of its IPO. So SpaceX filed confidentially for its IPO that will rewrite the record books. It says SpaceX files confidentially for a record-breaking IPO targeting a $1.75 trillion valuation, and they raised $80 billion also, driven by Starlink growth and its xAI merger. Elon Musk rocket and satellite company submitted its draft registration to the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission, or SEC, on April 1st for an initial public offering, targeting June at a $1.75 trillion valuation. And this could be the largest one in history. Now, SpaceX filed confidentially with the SEC. It was first reported by Bloomberg, and I have to put that in too. And it's quite amazing. SpaceX would be valued above every S&P 500 company except, of course, Nvidia, Apple, Alphabet, Microsoft, and Amazon. However, the filing uses a confidential process that allows companies to work through SEC disclosures privately before initiating them publicly. Also, with a June target, official details through a formal prospectus is expected to go public in April and early May, after which SpaceX must wait at least 15 days before beginning investor marketing. While SpaceX is best known for its Falcon 9 and Starship rockets, the $1.75 trillion valuation is anchored by Starlink, its satellite internet service. It is important since Starlink ended 2025 with 9.2 million subscribers and over $10 billion in revenue, which is a figure analysts project could reach a staggering $24 billion by the end of 2026. Also, the February all-stock merger with xAI, Musk's artificial intelligence venture, further boosted the valuation. So Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, and Morgan Stanley all lined up as senior underwriters. And I read somewhere today that actually there's something like 20 banks involved in that IPO. It's also important to notice that SpaceX is considering a dual-class share structure to preserve insider voting control and plans to allocate up to 30% of shares to retail investors, which is roughly 3 times the typical norm. Elon loves his retail investors. So let's talk about what's going on with Optimus. Now, Elon Musk just announced a disappointing Tesla Optimus update on X. We'll have to be a little bit more patient, I guess. In a post on X on March 31st, Elon Musk stated that Optimus 3 is mobile but requires some finishing touches before it is ready to be shown to the world. Now, this update comes on a final day of the first quarter, a period when Tesla had previously signaled expectations for the General 3 reveal. I wonder if it's something to do with the construction of Cortex 2.0. Let me know in the comments what you think is going on. Now, Elon Musk announced an update to the unveiling of Optimus and its 3rd generation iteration, missing a timeline it aimed to hit in the first quarter of the year. Now, Musk has confirmed that the highly anticipated Optimus Gen 3 humanoid robot is already walking around and that it is operational, yet the public unveiling will face a short delay as the company applies final refinements. And the update comes on the final day of the first quarter, a period when Tesla had previously signaled expectations for the Gen 3 reveal. But these products evolve so quickly. Not sure if you pay attention to this, but I think Elon Musk wants to make sure he leaves every other models in the dust. Just thinking out loud. So the announcement allowed reports of Optimus Gen 3 appearing at the Tesla diner in Los Angeles, where it was observed serving and moving around until sunset. Also, images and videos shared by observers captured the robot in action, highlighting its progress in real-world mobility. Tesla had aimed to showcase the production intent version of the Optimus 3 during the first quarter 2026, positioning it as a major step towards factory deployment and eventually commercial availability. Musk has described the robot as featuring advanced capabilities, including highly dexterous hands with significant degree of freedom, powered by Tesla's AI systems for complex tasks. Why is this important? Well, the minor delay aligns with Tesla's iterative approach to development. Earlier statements from Musk indicate that Gen 3 would represent the most advanced humanoid robot designed primarily for internal factory use before scaling the external customers. Also, production timelines point towards low volume output starting in the summer, with volume ramping up, targeting for 2027, similar as the Cybercab, I guess. Now, however, the delay underscores the company's commitment to quality over speed, ensuring the robot meets rigorous standards for safety and performance in practical environments. Optimus represents a cornerstone of Tesla's long-term vision beyond electric vehicles. Musk has repeatedly emphasized that successful humanoid robotics could transform industries by addressing labor shortages and also enabling new forms of productivity. Now, this is important. Competition in the space continues to advance their own platforms, yet Tesla's vertical integration, from custom actuators to end-to-end AI training, positions Optimus as a potential leader. But of course, community reactions on social media range from excitement over visible progress to impatience with shifting timelines, a familiar pattern in Tesla's innovation journey. So why does this matter? Because investors and enthusiasts view Optimus as critical to Tesla's valuation, potentially surpassing its automotive business in scale. With the robot already demonstrating walking and basic interactions, the finishing touches, like involving software polishing, hardware fine-tuning, and reliability enhancements, Musk update suggests the reveal could arrive in the coming weeks or month, maintaining momentum towards broader deployment. As Tesla pushes the boundaries of physical artificial intelligence, this latest development keeps Optimus in the spotlight. Now, the company continues to prioritize rapid iteration while delivering on its promises to shareholders and customers. But the robotics revolution at Tesla appears closer than ever, promising profound impact on manufacturing, services, and daily life in the years ahead. Now, the question of today is, why do you think the Optimus reveal was being delayed? And are you excited about SpaceX going public? Also, if you like Optimus, the humanoid robot, you probably like this video where we talk about Cortex 2.0, which is designed to train Optimus. Also, don't forget to tune in next time when we talk about Tesla, Elon Musk, and his other companies. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Claudia, and goodbye.